In Samoan pronunciation, these symbols are very important and they're needed to pronounce words correctly. This is known as a fatmamafa, meaning to make heavy or to emphasize, also known as a macron. These macrons go over Samoan vowels. Not observing a macron could change the entire meaning of a word, like tama or boy to tama or father. All we did was hold the A for emphasis. Tama, tama. This here is known as a taofi or fa'ataofi, also known as a glottal stop. It abruptly starts or stops a vowel. For example, o instead of o, as in olo'o. You hear the difference when it's a smooth sounding o as opposed to an abrupt sound o. You might be able to hear better in this example, as in the case of lau and la'u. These are two different words. Lau is your and la'u is my. It might help to look at a taofi like a letter. If you missed a letter, then you misspelled the word. Now the problem is when you're reading online or what native speakers write, they often don't use the fatmamafa or the taofi because they're fluent in what they're writing and they're writing to fluent readers. So they know the context of what they're reading and what the word is supposed to sound like with or without the taofi or the fatmamafa. But as you're learning, practice using your fatmamafa and your taofi in your writings because that's going to help you with your Samoan pronunciation.